Willpower doesn't change habits, subconscious reprogramming does. So think of a habit like a groove in the brain, and with each repetition, it gets deeper. And when you try to fight it consciously, it feels like climbing out of that groove with bare hands. You slip back in again and again, and that's why people give up. So, hypnosis meditation doesn't fight the old groove, it creates a brand new one directly in the subconscious where habits are stored. That's why one hypnotic session can feel like weeks of conscious effort. Change feels easy, natural, because you're no longer working against your own mind, you're working with it. And save this if you're ready to stop exhausting yourself with willpower and start rewiring at the subconscious level.